Welcome to my channel. Today I will create a burger poster for your business. Note down these values. Draw a rectangle for background. Draw a rectangle. Then a line on artboard. Then place a background here. Then choose a pic using selection tool, right-click. Then arrange the bring to front. Then pick adjust on artboard using selection tool. Choose a rectangle tool, then draw and fill the color. Select a direct selection tool, then select all anchor points. Then less rounded, then decrease opacity. Choose a selection tool and adjust on artboard. Select the text tool, then write your title. Choose font according to their requirements. Using selection tool, adjust all text according to their requirements. Select text, then right-click to create outline. Using selection tool, apply gradient on text and choose a suitable color. Using selection tool, select a text and choose a white color from swatches. Using selection tool, select all text and adjust on artboard. Select the text tool and write your statement. Select a text and choose font. Select the text, then stick effect, then click on wrap. Then click on arc. Then adjust curve according to their requirement. Then increase size and choose white color and place on artboard. Then adjust curve on artboard using selection tool. Choose a circle and draw holding shift, then fill the color. Choose a circle, then apply radial gradient. Then click on opacity, then color. Click on normal option. To select overlay, then decrease opacity. Choose a text tool, then write. Choose a text, then press Alt key for copy. Select text, then right-click to create outline. Then apply gradient, choose a suitable color. Select text, then choose gradient tool to right direction. Using selection tool to decrease size and adjust on artboard. Select a text tool, then write. Using selection tool, select a text to choose font. Using selection tool, select all text. Then right-click to create outline, then apply gradient to choose suitable color. Using selection tool, select all text to decrease size. Click a text tool to write contact on number. Artboard. Select the text to select white color. Select the text to adjust on artboard. Select the text to adjust on artboard. Select the text to write web address. Select a rectangle and draw, then apply gradient. To choose suitable color. Select a gradient tool to adjust direction of colors. Select the text tool to write and increase size and adjust. Select a pic, then adjust on board. Select a pic and place here. Select a rectangle tool and draw 3 small squares. And apply gradient. Select a pix and place here and adjust in squares. Select all to make group. Then adjust on artboard. Thank you for watching.